In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from other devices on Wise. This is a quick way to secure your account if you've signed in on a shared computer, used a friend's phone, or just want to make sure no old sessions are still active. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and what to expect when you use it. Start on the Wise home screen. Look toward the top left and tap the profile icon. This is the hub for your account-related settings. If you don't see it right away, give the app a second to load or make sure you're on the main screen rather than inside a specific feature. Next, scroll down the menu and select Security and Privacy. This section houses everything related to protecting your account, including login methods and device management. It's a good habit to familiarize yourself with what's here, because it's where you can review and adjust your security features in the future. Inside Security and Privacy, find the option labeled Logout Everywhere and tap it. This action tells Wise to end your active sessions on all devices where you're currently signed in. That includes phones, tablets, and web browsers. It's especially helpful if you used a device you don't control or you're not sure where you stayed logged in. You'll see a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Tap Log Out Everywhere again to confirm. This second tap prevents accidental signouts and makes sure you're ready for the change. After you confirm, Wise will begin signing you out across all devices. On this device, you might be returned to the login screen. On other devices, the logout can happen almost immediately or after a brief delay depending on your connection. When you're ready to sign back in, be prepared to complete your usual verification steps. If you use two-step verification or biometrics, have those ready. A few quick tips. If you don't see Security and Privacy, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. A stable internet connection helps the logout command sync to all devices. If you used a public or unfamiliar device recently, it's smart to double-check your recent activity after you sign back in. And if anything looks off, consider updating your password and keeping two-step verification enabled. That's all there is to it. Tap the profile icon, go to Security and Privacy, choose Logout Everywhere, and confirm. It's a fast, reliable way to keep your Wise account secure wherever you've used it.